All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to find the slope using a graph. Okay, using a graph, we're going to find the slope. So I have these three examples here, and looking at the first one on the left here, we are going to find the slope. Now, the slope using 2 points. Um, Now, you can use any 2 points on this graph, just as long as your 2 points hit the uh, coordinates, exact coordinates. Okay, so you can use any 2 points as long as they hit the exact coordinates. Because when you simplify the slope, you're going to get the same answer anyway. All right, so these two given points are what we're going to go by. These 2 points right here, this one and this one. All right, now to find the slope, you would put rise over run, right? So you would put your y over your x. Okay. So the slope for this one, first off, slope is identified as m in a function. Okay. So we're using this. This, of course, is a function. All right. So we identify slope as m. So rise over run would be, I like to do the run first, the x first. So we count 1, 2 units, right? So 2 goes at the bottom. And then we go up 1 unit. So this would be 1 over 2. So our slope is 1 over 2. All right. Notice how I go 2 spaces, which is my run, and then 1 space up, which is my rise. So I usually just say rise over run. Okay, let's look at this second one. All right, notice how on this one I have to go left. All right, on the first one I went right, but on this one I have to go left. Anytime you have to go left, it is a negative slope. This is a negative slope. So let's count our spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going 4 on the bottom, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be negative 5 over 4. That's my slope. Now, slope just tells me the pretty much the depth of this function, like how the line is made, right? Okay, so the smaller the slope, the flatter it would be. So this one is, the slope is so small, actually, there is no slope, right? So this will be m equals 0. Anytime you get a horizontal line, it's just the slope is 0. All right. Now, anytime you get a slope that is straight up and down, a vertical line, right? This is a vertical line. This slope is undefined. All right, so a vertical line gives me an undefined slope. A horizontal line, of course, like I did on the last problem, gives me a 0 slope. Now this slope, of course, it will be what? Positive, because I'm going to the right. Now notice how I don't have dots, right? I don't have any points, so I have to make them. Let's say this point, because it's so clear, right? It hits a perfect point right there. And this point, let's use these two. All right, 1, 2, 3. So I'll put 3 on the bottom. And up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4, 3. All right, so this is my rise over run. All right, here will be a negative slope. I can go ahead and put my negative. Let's use these 2 points. This one and what's another clear point here? All right, so 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Negative 3. And my rise would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5 over 3 is my rise. Okay? Remember to go negative every time you go left, okay?